Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Dolby Atmos is not working on the system, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to enable exclusive mode. For that we need to look for change system sounds in the control panel and then click on that, click on playback, click on the active speakers, then right click on that, click on properties, advanced, and make sure that these two boxes are checked. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Give exclusive mode applications priority. Click on apply and then OK. The second thing we need to do is run the audio troubleshooter. So for that we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, and then go to system, scroll down for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then we run the audio troubleshooter. Another fix is to update the audio driver. For that we need to look for device manager and we'll go to the audio inputs and outputs, and we will go to the speakers and we will right click and update the driver. If you're hearing it through the headphones, then right click and update the driver, and we restart the computer. Now Dolby Atmos should start working, but if it doesn't, then what we need to do is we need to repair and reset Dolby Access. So we will search for Dolby Access here and we will click on app settings. We'll scroll down on app settings and we will click on repair, tick mark, and then we will click on reset. And we should get a tick mark. After this, Dolby uh, uh, Atmos should start working on your computer. But if it doesn't, then the only option is to uninstall and install it again. So we will click on uninstall and then we will look for Windows. We'll look on Windows stores for Dolby Access, and we will click on get, and it should install by itself. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.